Wow. I've got a disclaimer. After 40 years in the construction industry, I occasionally slip up and swear. Sometimes more than once. Sorry. Oh shit. How the fuck does this go? Downhill it goes. Around a sharp corner. Oh fuck. Pretty river. I think it's called the Straight River. Today is December 8th, 2018, and I've driven from my home in Minneapolis to south of the metro area at a town called Faribault. And this is the Riverbend Nature Center. I came to this course a year ago about, and the reason I'm here is because southern Minnesota a week ago got a dump of snow where the rest of the state is still struggling to try to get any place to ski. So the conditions here, even though they're not the greatest, they aren't bad. I was here a year ago and there was a lot of walkers and they were walking in the tracks, but I haven't run into that today, which is kind of fun. It's mostly flat course, a couple little gentle hills, and because this is the groom from a week ago and nobody's been out, got a lot of leaves in the tracks, and tracks are uneven, so they didn't do a whole lot of rolling on here. But there's a few skiers out, which is kind of nice. I had a feeling I got a big uphill to get back on top of the riverbank here. This is a problem here. I might just climb this so I can do the downhill. Looks like the sun wants to come on. First time in weeks. Actually, first time since Labor Day. Okay. That was fun. Boy, there's a lot of deer tracks down here. I suppose right in town. All this nice cover. Deer are probably loving it. Oh, this looks like a handmade trail here. Try it out and see where it goes. It's pretty. Ooh, getting kind of small. Oh, fuck the bridge. I didn't know this was here. That's kind of cool. So I started out with my B skis, and they're probably the right ones, but I wasn't getting any kick. So I went back and got my A skis, which are my good set of atomics that you see. And the reason I did that is because I bought my B skis. They were brand new. They were my A skis to begin with, but last winter, well, actually I think it was in March, I broke the tip on one of them, and I glued it together. And here's the problem I got, is that they're for a skier that's 10 pounds heavier than what I am right now. And so that's why I'm not getting any kick. And so I gotta figure out what to do about that, because I don't want to be using my really good skis on trails like this unless I have to. So I think what I should do is try to find a cheaper set of skis. Used for bees. Something that gives me a good kick for the weight that I'm at. That was my ski for today. If I was to rate this place, I would give it a 5, mainly because it's mostly flat, and even though the trails are nicely groomed, the corners are so sharp that you can't carry any speed through any of the downhills. I'd give it a 10 because they got snow this close to Minneapolis. It's an hour drive from Minneapolis, and there's hardly anybody out, which is kind of amazing. But anyways, thanks for joining me on December 8th, 2018. More to come.